You can really tell a difference when you have xHP versus when you don't. Oh my god. My shit. Oh my. Shifts are like lightning quick and everything. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh snap. Bro, as soon as I tap the pedal, it shifts. Nah, hey. Man, big shout out to xHP, man. Hey, if you don't have xHP, you better get some xHP, because this thing is crazy. But yo, this feels like full on race mode, race car, race stuff, you know what I'm saying? Look at that Audi. Oh my god. xHP is amazing. If you guys don't have it, I really recommend you guys get it, because it really changes the car to a whole different car. So it's just like the transmission is tuned, and then when you get your car tuned, it's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, like a full tuned car. But you gotta stay tuned. A lot of tuned thing going on.